This little guy over here is a peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon's scientific name is Falco peregrinus annatum. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animals in the world. When hunting for other birds, peregrine falcons will execute dives starting about 300 feet. 300 feet in the air and reach speeds over 20, 240, 400 miles per hour. They will then strike their prey by ailing their talons into a fist, usually killing the other bird upon impact. This species prefers to nest on cliff ledges near water sources, but they have also adapted to nesting on skyscrapers. They peregrines primarily hunt pigeons and shorebirds, but they have been documented taking down birds large as sandhill cranes and as small as hummingbirds. This falcon nests about a third of the way down cliff face and create a slight depression in the stone for these guys lay up to 2 to 5 eggs.